guys, welcome back to my channel. So you were thinking that what is this thing? Actually I have purchased phone tripod for making videos or for online classes. So I am going to reboxing it. Actually I have purchased it from Flipkart. So let's start. So inside this box, one small box is there. Actually there are microphone stands. This you can see. Now inside it is all this stick, this stand, phone holder, it's there. Now we have to fix it, so let's fix. I will put this inside. Now we have to tack it. Now last option is that this is the phone holder that you have to set here. So let's fix it. Before fixing we have to remove it, so I have removed. Now I will fix here. Now this is ready. Now I have to do anything from it. You have to keep your phone here. This is the wide, you can place your head. Now this is actually a phone tripod. So if this video was useful, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.